Okay, this is called Jus Wavey. Everything just dancing creates and put just before. Jus Wavey. It's a 3-part dance, one wall. So everything starts here. 3 parts and a tap. Okay? All right, so my friend Sharon just said the first part's going to kill me. No, it's not, because we're going to walk through it really, really slowly. Okay, so it starts with the right foot. What we're going to do is heel dig. So it's heel dig. We're going to slightly turn to the right, but we're still going to square back up to the front wall. So it's heel dig with a turn, ball change. Okay? Heel dig, ball change. You guys good? All right, let's try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel dig, ball change. From there, you take your right foot, tap, 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 tap. So the first 2 taps is to the side, tap, tap. The other 2 is coming around, tap, tap, coming around to the front. We're getting some feedback?
Sounds better.
It's better? Yes. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 tap. And there's no pause, by the way. I know do a tap. I mean a pause, but there's no tap. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, ball change, tap, 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 tap. Okay? You guys good? Be too quiet. And you should heel, tap, 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 tap. Okay? All right. So after you do the tap, 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 lift, down, lift. Okay? Tap, tap, lift, down, lift. So that's all 8 counts. So if I count it for you, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay? So let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. And yes, it is that fast. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. You guys good? Can I add on?
Yes.
The rest is easy. Shuffle, left up, shuffle, turn right, left. Okay, so we have Lisa in the back right there. Lisa, hold your hand up for a second. All right. Okay? So let's go back over here. We just did this. Down, up, right? So shuffle, left up, shuffle, turn, right, left. That's what we do the same exact thing on this wall. From the top. With a heel dig to the right, okay? Lisa's up front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. Shuffle, left up, shuffle, turn, right, left. Let's do this one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. Shuffle, left up, shuffle, turn, right, left. How you guys doing? Let's do both. Okay? No stopping in between. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. Shuffle, left up, shuffle, turn, right, left. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. Shuffle, left up, shuffle, turn, right, left. You guys good? That's part 1. Part 1, you want to hear the music?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to do with the music so far.
Get high, get lit, get drunk, get wavy, get wavy. Get high, get lit, get drunk, get wavy.
Let me tell you like this. Fuck the mic, it's critical. Never throw me in while he's in it. Do it from the massive in the summer like this. If I ever need to, I'll be back. All these waves, I need the back. Can get a vibe right now, right there. If you want to know, man, I'm hands on, play it.
Yeah.
Thank you, my dear. So that's part 1. Part 2, we're gonna have a little fun. So when you come out of that turn, right, left. Try to put some space in between your feet. We'll make it easier. Okay? So it goes like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left. If you listen to music, it says snap it up. So snap it up, pose for the camera. But I just do right, left, right, left. Some of you I know will get creative. Right, left, whatever you want to do. Okay? So starts with the right. So right, left, right, left, right, left. The count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Adding on, step, sailor, traveling forward, starting with the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, sailor, dougie back. Right, left, left. Okay? You good? So let's start from the top of part 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Snap, and roll to the right, step, sailor, dougie back. So, let me count it for you one more time, because I said something wrong. So, right and left, right, left, step, sailor, dougie back. So if I count it, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You good? That's part 2. You do part 2 twice. Okay, so let's do twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and left, right, left. Step, sailor, dougie back. Repeat. Right, left, left. Step, sailor, dougie back. That's part 2. You always do part 2 twice, except for in the last rotation we do it one time. And that's where I'll call it out for you, okay? But part 3, very easy. Starts with a lady shuffle. Shuffle to the right, left, back. Shuffle to the right, stop here. Right behind, quarter unwind. Okay, so you're gonna unwind to your right wall. It's like just a quarter turn. So it looks like this. Shuffle to the right, left, back. Shuffle to the left, step, turn. Repeat all 4 walls. So let's keep going, okay? Shuffle to the right, left, back. Shuffle, turn. Shuffle to the right, left, back. Shuffle, turn. Shuffle to the right, left, back. And shuffle, front wall. So that turn is right behind, and you dip and turn. Okay? So shuffle, left, back. Shuffle, dip and turn. Okay? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, left, back. Shuffle, dip and turn. Shuffle, left, back. Shuffle, dip and turn. Left, back. Shuffle, dip, turn. Shuffle, left, back. Shuffle, dip, turn. So you just learned 1, 2, and 3. Any questions on any of those parts? No? Okay, so let's teach you the, when it gets to the bridge, or the tag. There's a tag, bridge, special, whatever. When I call it a special, we can. So the music changes, and here's what it looks like. Roll back, you're gonna turn sideways to the wall, okay? Roll back and roll, back and roll, back and roll, back and roll. Okay? That's the first part. After you do that, we're going to do left, right slide, up, stop, twist, twist. Okay? So let's do the first part's easy. Let's do the second part. Left out, left forward, right forward, slide up on your left, twist, twist. You do it twice. Okay? Whatever way works for you. Because Lisa told me the other day, she says, I filmed you doing the left foot one time and then the right foot the other time. So which way is it? So when you get here, whatever feels good. Okay? So it's left out, left forward, right forward, left up, twist, twist. You do it twice. So let's start from the part where you go back and roll. So that's the first part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and roll. turn and roll, turn and roll, turn and roll. Now, we're here, but the other part starts here. So you just have to be ready to left, right, slide up, twist, twist. Left, right side up, twist, twist. You do it twice. Okay? Yep. This part is only once, 4 times. This part, twice. Okay? You guys ready? Yeah. Yeah? So, the dance goes like this. Part 1, 2, and 3, first rotation. Part 1, 2, and 3, second rotation. We go to the bridge. Then we pick back up with part 1. Okay, so part 1 is, remember? So we do that front and back wall. That's when we only do part 2 one time. And then we finish up with part 3. So what's part 2 again? Snap it up. What's part 3? Shuffle. The Lindy, okay? You guys good? What's part 1? Tap, tap. Okay, shuffle, left up. Let's go through one whole rotation of the dance. Okay? From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 tap. Lift, down, lift. Shuffle, left up. Shuffle, turn, right, left. Heel, tap, 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 tap. Lift, down. Shuffle, lift up. Shuffle, turn, right, left. 1 second. So let's go through that again, because I saw a few steps. Okay? So it's this. Heel, wall change, tap, tap. Tap, tap, lift, down, lift. Your foot is up, so you gotta use it. Shuffle, left, up. Shuffle, turn, right, left. Okay? Let's do back row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. Shuffle right, left up, shuffle left, turn, right, left. Perfect. Part 2. Okay, we were going from the top, dancing all the way through. Let's go back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. Shuffle, left up, shuffle, turn, right, left. Heel, tap, 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 lift, down, lift. Shuffle, left up, shuffle, turn, right, left, right, left. Step, sailor, dougie back. Repeat. Right, left, left. Step, sailor, dougie back. Part 3. Shuffle, left back, shuffle, turn. Shuffle, right back, and turn. Shuffle, left back, shuffle, shuffle, left back, shuffle, right turn. 1, 2, and 3. Let's do the break. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and roll. Your left and roll. Right and roll. Left and roll. Left, right, slide, twist. Left, right, slide, and twist. Part 1. Just pick it up. Okay? Okay? Questions? Anybody have any questions? You good? Catch your breath. Let me get some water. Catch your breath, because you don't need it. We are ready. Okay. Start right away.
Get high, get drunk, get wavy, get wavy.
Let's go.
Get high, get drunk, get
5,
wavy.
6, 7.
Let me tell you like this. I bought the mic,
Tap,
it's
tap,
principle.
tap, tap,
Never
tap.
don't need the wine, it's in the line. Do it for the massive in the summer like this. If I ever need to, I'll be back. All these waves are not the pioneer. Can get a vibe right here, right there. You need to know, man, I'm hands on. Play it.
Part 2.
Yeah.
Stand it up. Get a quick pose for the camera.
Take it back.
I sit down, never have a drop. I don't play it out, but now the next kind of drop.
Again.
Yeah.
Stand it up. Get a quick pose for the camera. I sit down, never have a drop. I don't play it out, but now the next kind of drop.
Come on.
Get high, get drunk, get wavy, get wavy. Get high, get drunk, get wavy.
That's all.
Get high, get drunk, get wavy, get wavy. get high, get wavy, get wavy, get wavy, yeah. Get high, get wavy, get wavy, get high, get wavy, get wavy, yeah. Get high, get wavy, like this.
The wave is hard. Blow, father. Down, one of the gal them free. Still we eat the mother man need keys. Whenever we speak, because she don't wanna leave. Body looking like a man with the keys in school. One never got A's and B's. Double up trying to any gal I see. Give it to me, my thanks never run deep. I just wanna show you that you're acting with the G. I got yo's in the north, yo's in the south, yo's in the east, yo's in the west. They only hold a car, but they look fresh and they know where the flows on the best. Someone turn the DJ, turn up the speaker. It's not less than the CLiQ and Alika. When you think it's hell, we be living the vida. From Miami to White Reefer.
Get wavy.
Super cute.